Thank you for watching The Manufactured Housing Expert. This home was toured at the MHI Annual Convention in Orlando, Florida. This Genesis home is one of 3 we tour. We appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new tours. What's going on, guys? Today we are over here at the MHI National Congress over here in Orlando. We're going to be touring 3 homes. You got one over there. There's another home behind it. But first, we're going to start with this Genesis. It's just over 1,600 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Check out this beautiful garage. One thing that I really love about this already, you're going to want to make sure that you stick it out till the end. It has a beautiful kitchen. But check out this side porch over here. They did a great job. Again, this is a Genesis, just over 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. It helps our channel out. We're here for you. We're gonna go and take a look inside of this beautiful Genesis, which is part of the Champion Homes, Skyline, Silvercrest, all those brands. I love the lap siding on this home. They also added a lot of character with the woodwork over there. And check out that light. This garage is an option. Let's check out this entry here. As you walk into the home, here is the living area. Let's get a little wider angle view. I love, in this home, they took advantage and placed several of these barn doors. It's a very nice feature. In this bedroom, it's got the 2 entrances. Let's go inside here. Over here, this is kind of a little hallway. There's a cabinet option that you can add there. And check out this kitchen. You're going to see these 9-foot flat ceilings, white hardwood countertops. Check out that range hood. This range hood really is beautiful. Genesis did a great job on this home. That looks like an electric stovetop. We can always put gas in there. And check out this breakfast bar. As you can see, there's room for 4 stools there. Over here is another barn door in this area. Let's open that up there for you. Stainless steel appliances. Over here is your wet room. You have some closets with some side-by-side washer and dryer and some overhead cabinets. This is where the garage would be. So if you had a garage, here's where the garage would be. So let's go back in here and leave a comment and tell us what you think. What is your favorite feature over here? We have this farmhouse sink, gooseneck faucet with sprayer. We're at the convention, so people are starting to come on in here. And here's the guest bathroom. Here's the second bedroom. Let's go inside here. Ooh, check out these windowsills. I love the wood windowsills. That's a great touch. with the molding around the window frame. Good sized closet. In this bedroom, you could easily fit a king bed if needed. How's it going? And then we have the master bedroom. Wait till you see the master bathroom. It's beautiful. And check out this closet. Bam. This is a big closet.
Yeah. No, that's smart.
As you can see, there's the other barn door. They put a beautiful fan. This is a very large room.
3-person shower in the next room.
3-person shower, he says, in the next room. Get ready for this party, guys. Check out, I love this. This is a laminate countertops. The sinks look beautiful. And check out those mirrors. Those are fancy mirrors. Wow. Check this shower out. This is a beautiful shower. Take a look at it's not your traditional, they have it stopped there, but this is a huge shower. You could definitely fit several people in here. They put the glass tile. So thank you for watching this addition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Thank you.